Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And guess what happened again? We got four new more kittens. I'll show you. I'll get the first one now. Yeah, bro. We haven't named these ones actually. No, because we're not planning on keeping them. Yeah. Here's that first one. Yeah, I'll move you backwards so you can have a good look. Oh, I'm sorry, mate. I'm so sorry. It basically reminds me every time I do one of these videos. I look back at what my first video and I'm like, oh my god, I look so creepy. Yeah, I'm gonna take him down now. I don't think I'll be able to show you one because they're going. I'll show you Smudge instead. If you don't know Smudges, he's one of the kittens. Oh, why did I put you on there? Put you down here and balls. Yeah, they're all girls, by the way. So yeah, I think Bella's pregnant again. So yeah, she's always pregnant, and that one's going. Goodbye, Joy. Come on, have some more camera time. We need to see which one is cuter. So yeah, it's going by 1, 2, 3, 4. So there's number 2 gone. I'm from New York. No, you're not me. Yeah, one behind. You kidding me? They're not allowed behind. They do what they're not meant to do. And I have to get them. Anyway, this one's a different colour to them. And ta-da! Sup, bros? Do you want to fight? Huh? Yeah, so yeah, I just want to show you this cup. 6 cups. So yeah, kitten number 3. And if I'm careful enough, I might. I got 4. I got number 4. And here comes number 4. I just wanted to see how long she would stare at the camera. Yeah, that's you. Sorry guys, but so yeah, I just wanted to show you the kittens, and yeah, my sister's glasses. They look cute. They look cool. No, I do, because I'm cool. Turn around so they can see your face. Booga booga. Ooga booga. So anyway, so as I was saying, Christmas is coming very soon. Like, I mean, very soon. Literally, I have a week and 2 days left at school, which I hate. Literally, guys, school altogether is hectic. I'll be back. That's what I'll actually show you. So, why are you wet? Right, got it open, guys. Got it open. Woo! You saw me there. My Buffett video, you won't believe how many tries it took me to nail that. To do that, to fill, and then go and put it to line. I'm just gonna try one more time if it lands now. I'll be lucky. If it lands, I'll be lucky. You want more camera time? This is kitten number 2, by the way. They've all got colds, so you know. Didn't work. That'd be so cool if it did. One got all Google cleaned, so yeah. Hands down, but almost landed. I got a better internet, yo. Try one more time, guys. One time. I'm going to try from over here. Backwards down. I am not landing them, am I? Backwards. I'm going to do it from the back there. I should learn how to land them. Yeah. Oops. One more time. Good luck from over here, guys. From over here. This ain't going to be lucky. I'm not going to land this. So if I don't land it, nothing happens. When I say it happens, so it happens, that one, so it happens. If I don't land it, I don't know. If I don't land it, I'll have to do a challenge in front of you guys. I really want to do a challenge. That doesn't count because it hit the camera. What? So you guys can see the epicness of behind the scenes. Yep, you can see it right there. Right there. Wait, hey. One more time. If I don't land this time, I'll do the challenge. I'll do the challenge. There's no going back. Yeah. So, it's kind of hard to think of a challenge. So, I came up with a challenge for myself. I gotta eat cat food. Yeah. Let's go eat one biscuit. See it? And I thought I could do an eating trial now. I'm a celebrity. Oh my god, what if you're vegetarian? No, I'm celeb. Or vegan. I'm vegetarian, so I can't do this trial. Because all they have is balls, anus! That's all I'm a celebrity is. I'm thinking of what I'll have to do next if I don't land it now. That doesn't count. For it to count, it has to hit like that or that. Go stand close this time. This is not goal. I should take the kitten off, should I? Stop me. Alright. There's no one there. For my hopes and dreams, guys. Coke. Anything disgusting in here? No, everything seems quite nice. Oh, good. I don't know, guys. I don't know what I'm gonna eat. I'm gonna eat no cat biscuit, but I'm gonna put it in, grab the Coke and chug. Just to say, if you don't like burger stuff, I swear, just go off now. Take it like a tablet. That's all I have to say for myself. Like that. There it is. I just ate one. I ate one. Jeez, guys, I just ate it. I swear down. I put some Coke in my mouth and I just swallowed. I think I'm going to turn into a cat now. Meow, meow, meow. Oh, what? So, hope you guys enjoyed this video and wait, what's happening? What? Meow, meow, bye! I really need to get some friends. Bye. 12 minutes long. I still can't believe I ate that. I'm gonna have 12 minutes long. But I'll put it for the end of the video. Got to land it.